Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Admin rights, a stable network, and which DNS role you need. Install chosen DNS software now. On Windows, add the DNS role. On Linux, use apt/yum to install bind or unbound. Once installed, open the main config file and create a backup copy before editing. Make basic settings. Set listening interfaces, enable recursion if needed, and define forwarders for upstream resolution. This gets your server prepared for detailed zone and policy configuration next. Now configure forward and reverse zones. Add SOA, NS, A, and PTR records reflecting your network. Edit options to set ACLs, recursion permissions, cache size, and TTL defaults so resolution performance is predictable. For bind, update named. Conf with zone blocks and include file paths. For dnsmask or unbound, add equivalent entries. After saving files, reload the DNS service to apply changes and watch logs for parsing errors. Make sure zone serials increment after changes, so downstream resolve. Finish by validating everything. Use dig or enslookup to query your server for a PTR and SOA records and confirm TTLs and responses. If you see failures, check service logs for syntax errors, confirm firewall allows UDP/TCP53, and capture traffic with TCP dump to inspect query flows. Once corrected, increment the zone serial and reload so changes propagate. A key troubleshooting tip. If propagation stalls, verify forwarders and flush caches on clients and the server to eliminate stale entries before further changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.